Today is boring.
I want to play.
Hello, family. Look.
What is it, Mom? A surprise. We go to Hawaii. Hawaii! Wow! Wow!
I love Hawaii.
It is a big island. Let's find adventure.
The water is blue.
I will take photos.
I will draw flowers.
It is a sunny day.
Packing time! Packing time!
Let's get ready.
My blue suitcase.
1 t-shirt, 2 shorts.
Don't forget my hat.
This is heavy.
We need sunscreen. Wow.
Is everyone ready?
Yes, I am ready.
The ocean is so big.
Drink some water.
We are here.
Aloha. Welcome.
It smells like flowers.
Look at the palm trees.
The air is warm.
Follow me, team.
I see a bug. Bug. It is a green bug.
A beautiful red flower.
Smile, flower.
Listen, a bird. Yellow, blue, and red.
It is hot here.
Sit down. Rest a bit.
Water! A waterfall! Ah! The water is cold.
It feels good.
Say cheese.
Footprints.
Big footprints.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, is it a monkey?
No, maybe a bird.
Yellow fruit.
It is ripe.
A big tree. Dan, careful. Step here. I can do it.
Slow and steady.
Many butterflies.
Nature is amazing.
Time to swim.
Fish. Many fish. Whew. Small yellow fish.
Pink coral. So pretty.
Look, a sea turtle.
It is swimming slowly.
Hello, Mr. Turtle. I am a turtle now.
A red sea star. Oh! Whoa!
Don't touch. Just look.
Woo!
Blue water.
A clownfish.
Orange and white. Many colors here.
The light is beautiful.
Bubble, bubble. I see your bubbles.
They swim together.
Move slowly, Leo.
I love the ocean. A shell on the sand.
Look, don't take it.
A blue fish near the coral.
Hello, fish.
What a great day! The sun is orange.
I am very hungry.
This pineapple is sweet. I like coconut water.
No phones, just family.
Today was a good day.
I am tired but happy. The stars are bright.
I love my family.
Traveling is fun.
Where do we go tomorrow?
Wait and see, Leo.
Best adventure ever. Good night, Hawaii.
Do you like adventure?
Tell us in the comments. Woo! Share your story too.
See you next time.
Goodbye. We love you.